Hey, so another day of exploring and chasing waterfalls today. First stop is the Henrhyd Falls, which are the tallest waterfalls in South Wales apparently, and used in the film Batman The Dark Knight Rises, I believe, as the entrance to the Batcave. So just parked up in the car park, going to head down there, hopefully get a dip in as well. Oh, well, I don't know if you can see there, but there's the waterfall. There, yeah, not sure if it's coming up, but we're walking down there. I just hear the power of it. Absolutely lovely. And just the air here, just obviously because of the water that's coming over with such force. Oh well, found the falls, look at that. How spectacular. So that was filmed in, or used for filming of the Batcave, I think it was 2012, The Dark Knight Rises, Henrhyd Falls. Biggest fall in South Wales. Not sure if we can get down there and have a bit of a dip. Have a look. If not, we're going to go see some more waterfalls in a little while, so I'll maybe get a dip in there. So Sylvia has decided to walk all the way around there and actually come down, and she's having a swim there. I'm taking another route because I'm not brilliant with heights. So I've scrambled down there, but yeah, going to go and have a dip. Oh guys, this is wonderful. Hey, now this is adventuring and completely free. You've got to love it. Oh. That is just amazing. I'm so loving this. I'm just loving this so much. So it's beginning of March, you can probably appreciate it's pretty damn cold, but hey, just beautiful, just loving it. Wow. Oh, well, that was just amazing. Just feels fantastic after that. Lovely dip, and what a beautiful part of the world. So, right, that was one waterfall down, and 4 more to go. Let's go. So just parked up at the pub here, and going to go and run to the 4 waterfalls walk. Do that, come back, quick drink in the pub, and a bit of lunch, and then head home. Oh wow, so just walking down the steps to the first of the 4 waterfalls, our second one of the day. Oh wow. Right, stop the camera a bit, so I need to concentrate because it's slippery, but I'll film a bit more when we get down there. Oh well, here we are at the first waterfall. I'm just going to walk under this now. Wow, absolutely beautiful. This is just amazing. Wow. Absolutely fantastic. You can tell by the smile on my face. I'm having such a good time. I'm having a ball. Well, hey. Absolutely brilliant. Woo-hoo. Hey, so waterfall number 2 of the 4 Waterfalls Trail. Waterfall number 3 for us. Phew, well that one was a bit of a scramble to get to, and probably more of a scramble to get up, but here we are, waterfall number 3 on the 4 Waterfalls Trail, waterfall number 4 of the day for us. And then if we look around you can see, let's go for a walk on this bit. Oh, go for a slip on this bit. How beautiful is that? Well, way out of my comfort zone coming down here, and that is where I've got to go, back up there, but that's where I came down. So yeah, hopefully it'll be easier scrambling up than it was coming down. We'll soon find out. Just on our way to the 5th and final waterfall of the day. And while I remember, if you're enjoying this kind of content, if you could hit the like and subscribe button, that would be much appreciated. Subscribing doesn't cost anything. We don't send you loads of junk email or anything like that, but it just means you get notified as soon as I upload new content, and really helps me to build a community. So yeah, thank you very much. If you wouldn't mind doing that, that would be very much appreciated. Right, waterfall number 5 of the day then, waterfall number 4 of the 4 Waterfalls Trail. So here we go then, waterfall number 5 of the day today, waterfall number 4, the 4th and final one of the Waterfalls Trail.